Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a minute, but yeah. So just wanted to give an update on my alopecia. It is the end of 2020. I straightened my hair recently, so I just want to give an update on how things are going. And again, I do apologize for the delay. So here is February 2018, the end of February, where I gave up on my hair completely. I had a lot of itching, burning scalp, a lot of hair shedding, and I just couldn't take it anymore. Shaved my head completely, went to the dermatologist. They did a biopsy, found out that I had scarring alopecia, and since then I've just been on a hair journey just to grow my hair and to learn my hair. I have recently straightened my hair, so on the right hand side is what my hair looked like as of today. I don't have a problem with growing in length, but I still do have alopecia, which is kind of disheartening. Yes, it's very disheartening. So here are some pictures from the summertime, me doing my hair. I think the last time I gave an update was the beginning of February. As you can see, I usually keep my hair in twists, but I wanted to change it up, wanted to straighten it. This is in the middle of summer when I did straighten my hair. As you can see, I still have some spacing. This right here is fall. This picture here is fall. So again, I still have some spacing and I feel like my hair grows, but then it falls out. I'm thinking that's what's happening with my hair right now. Since I have straightening my hair, I have noticed that it is easier to hide the thinning with my hair in its natural state versus when I straighten my hair. I have straightened my hair again recently around Thanksgiving, and it's a lot easier for me to manage my hair, and I have a lot less shedding hair. But I do want to get into a healthy regimen, especially with my diet. And I know I say that every video, but you guys, it's very hard, and I'm a huge sugar addict. But as you see right here, I don't like that. And I want to see if I can get that looking a lot better than what it is right now, because it's very thin in my crown area and my edges are very, very thin. So hopefully to come there will be a lot more videos, just showing a hair routine, showing different supplements that I take, and just doing trial and error and seeing what I can do to get my crown and my edges back thick and full. It may never get back thick and full because I do have scarring alopecia and it does run in my family, but anything is better than nothing at all. So hopefully in the future, I'll be able to document all of that. Here I'm just, doing a video looking at my hair. I straighten it. Again, my hair is way more, I think everyone has an easier time managing straight hair, especially if you're a person who does not know how to do hair. And I don't know how to do hair. And I have noticed since I have straightened my hair that I'm having way less shedding. Um, so yeah, so hopefully, I'll probably keep my hair straight for the next couple of months until summertime hits or springtime hit, and then I'll try to learn how to do some more protective styles in the natural state. I also straighten my hair, and I told myself I'm gonna learn how to really do my hair because I feel like I keep my hair in protective styles all the time. That I want to be able to play and have fun with my hair while I have it before it's all gone, if nothing works to grow it back. So pretty much I'm just telling myself, while I have the hair, let's just, do something, just make myself feel good with what I do have. I think that that is very important so that you're not getting very depressed on not having any hair, or you're so busy trying to cover up your hair to the point where it's all gone and you didn't um, play with it when you had it, or style it when you had it, or cherish it when you had it. Sorry, you guys, if I'm rumbling all over my words. I am like so new to this. I only have a couple of videos. I'm a very shy person. That's the reason why I started my YouTube channel, just to get me out of the shy and very introvert zone that I usually am in. Here, this is the oil that I'm using now, but I am researching on a different type of oil to use. I just really like that oil because it does have a lot of natural oils in it. And also, here is where I'm using laser treatment. And this I used when I went to the hair restoration center. They had me doing hair laser. So I did get this laser thing off of Amazon, and I will be reviewing it. But I want to make sure that I am consistent in what I'm doing before I start just giving out reviews on things. But other than that, I thank you guys for tuning into my videos. Thank you guys for all the comments. Actually, I uploaded that last video and then I totally got off of, that off of my YouTube channel, and I just now got back onto my YouTube channel and seen all the comments and seen all the love. So just thank you guys for commenting. Thank you guys for sharing your opinions, and just thank you guys in general. And if you like this video, please share it, subscribe, and like the video. And hopefully I'll be coming out with more content. I do have time now to actually come out with that content, and I'm trying to just get bold enough to just share this journey with you guys, whether things work out or whether things don't work out. But just trying to get bold enough to share all this information and share my journey with you guys. But other than that, you guys take care. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.